Tile roofs are an important part of architecture and construction, playing a decisive role in protecting the house from environmental impacts. In addition, tile roofs also contribute to creating aesthetic beauty and unique style for the house. In this video, let's explore the factory that mass produces semi-automatic roof tiles. At the factory, engineers constantly research to develop roofing tiles that suit market needs. The creativity and constant efforts of engineers help create new roof tile products, meet the diverse needs of customers, and adapt to modern architectural trends. The main raw material for tile production is clay. After being mined at the mine, the clay will be transported to the manufacturing plant. In the factory, this wheel loader plays an important role in feeding clay into the material handling machine. This equipment helps process materials effectively and quickly, ensuring that clay is delivered to the mixer evenly and continuously. The clay is then sent to the crusher using a conveyor belt to crush and ensure fineness. Once smooth enough, it will be mixed with a certain ratio of water to make the clay flexible, serving the tile shaping process. At this extruder, the clay will be pressed and extruded according to the shape of the roof tile's pattern. Next, it will be cut to the standard size of the roof tiles to form each rough roof tile and then transferred to the next machine. In this machine, rough roof tiles are stamped with patterns and screw holes are created. The pattern stamping process not only creates delicate decorative patterns, increasing the aesthetics of the roof tiles, but also helps the roof tile's surface become more durable. At the same time, creating screw holes helps roof tiles easily be installed firmly on the roof. In addition, many factories can also produce rough roof tiles by pressing molds to help create roof tiles faster. Through many stages, the rough roof tiles have become more solid. However, to ensure maximum durability, they are dried completely in the oven and become stronger. This drying process helps remove all remaining moisture in the roof tiles, increasing the durability and bearing capacity of the product. After drying, rough roof tiles will be randomly inspected. Here, engineers will check the hardness and thickness of the roof tiles to ensure they meet the highest finishing standards before being glazed. Thorough inspection helps detect and eliminate unsatisfactory products, thereby ensuring the highest quality for roof tiles when entering the next stage. At the glazing machine, the surface of the roof tiles is cleaned before being covered with a layer of enamel. Automatic nozzles will in turn spray enamel onto the surface of the roof tiles, ensuring each roof tile is evenly covered and free of residue. This process not only creates a smooth, beautiful glaze, but also enhances the durability and water resistance of the tiles. These are roof tile kilns. After glazing, the roof tiles are put into a kiln and fired at a temperature of 1200 degrees Celsius. This firing process helps the enamel layer adhere firmly to the tile surface, while increasing the hardness and durability of the product. After firing, the roof tiles are cooled with water. Thanks to the cooling water injection process, roof tiles that are cracked during the firing process can be detected and removed before being put on the market. Inspecting and removing cracked roof tiles after firing helps ensure that only products that meet the highest standards reach consumers, maintaining the reputation and quality of the manufacturer. After meeting quality standards, the product will be packaged and ready to be delivered to consumers. What do you think about this semi-automatic mass production process of roof tiles? If you find it interesting, please like, share and subscribe to the channel to receive more great videos from me. Thank you.